What's up guys, Vic Benjes here. Welcome back to another vlog, and today we're going to be doing car stuff. So basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be installing a rear bumper, rear diffuser, and exhaust on this 2016 Mustang EcoBoost. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is today's subject, 2016 EcoBoost. You can see he already has some aftermarket fenders. The spoiler needs to be re-cleared. It's carbon fiber, so that's not a big deal. And yeah, so he has the stock bumper and diffuser and exhaust, so we're gonna be swapping that out, and should be pretty simple, just time consuming. So let's do that.
It's up in here on too.
No, just oh sure there is?
Yeah, I feel like this is
what the hell? Shoot. I think they just packaging it. Yeah. It's Alright guys, so right now we're still working on taking out the rear bumper. It's about to come off. Has a couple bolts that you got to get to, a couple clips. I'm not gonna get too in depth with it, but it's pretty straightforward. You know, it has a couple on the side, a couple on the bottom, and a couple on the other side. You know, you'll see them once you check. So let's get onto the bumper.
What's up with this light though? Are we gonna have to remove anything for the light or not?
Yeah, we're gonna have to probably remove it, but that's after we take off the bumper.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's put it with a. You got it? Yeah.
So there's a bolt that goes under here. Oops. Another bolt that goes up here. There's a hole in there. Take off the hanger, and then the whole exhaust will be able to pull it back as one whole piece. So that's what we're doing right now, taking off the bolts to pull out the whole exhaust. There's a couple more hangers up here, but those don't gotta come out. So we can just pull it. So keep you guys updated.
I'm gonna pull it and drop it.
Alright.
It's going.
Yeah.
Oh. Down. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I need you to help me push this up.
Just push it up?
Yeah, just take out back at the hook. Yeah, just push it. That's the camera. Oh, sorry.
Here's the old exhaust. It's not hard to take off. It really isn't. There's like these clamps that go over here in the front. And you see that hook? You have to bend it out. And then there's a clamp in there. You just unhook it, and the whole thing comes out in one piece. Like that. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Now we start putting on the new stuff. You excited, Josh?
Yeah, I'm
For
excited.
the new stuff?
Get this shit in.
And this one. This one is to direct this way. Can I hold it? Yeah. Yeah, hold it. Yeah. Okay. This is gonna sound so dope, dude.
I hope
I'm
so.
excited.
I'm tired. You sound like a bitch, fool.
Sound like a little hyena. All right, guys, so we're just putting in the last part of the exhaust, tying up all the hangers, all the clamps, putting all the bolts in, and then we're gonna put the last part of the other muffler. And then once that muffler goes in, we're gonna put the bumper on with the new diffuser, and we'll start it up, see how the new exhaust sounds. Check it out, guys. The exhaust is on. New exhaust. Very nice. Very nice. So now we just gotta put the bumper back on. The diffuser. Whoa. The diffuser. Start her up so you can see how she sounds. You sound badass. Of course, we gotta do a little unboxing action. That goes without saying for all my vlogs. Nice and handy. Check out blade. How steady it is. That's super steady.
Oh, you're opening the wrong way.
Nice. Okay, yeah, so this one's just a bumper and it has a space for the diffuser. Have all the inserts and everything. Gotta swap out all this stuff. Man, check out the diffuser, guys. It's just bad. Show the audience. Damn, look at that. It's just sexy. See it? It's too close. Damn, look at that. There it is. Gee, the tips and everything. Damn. That's just bad. That's just bad, huh, fool?
Yeah, well, this shit has clips too, so.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. Very nice. All right, so now we're gonna put this on bumper, and then put the rest of it back together, and hopefully that should be simple. So we'll do that.
Man, here you trying to put this shit on? Oh, hold that. I don't want to fuck it. Piece of shit.
It's not a piece of shit. All right, guys, it is day 2 of this install. So we put on the exhaust. The exhaust was easy to swap out, very simple to do, pretty straightforward. We knocked it out in under an hour. But what's giving us problems is the actual bumper. So this guy showed up with his obviously OEM bumper, aftermarket bumper, and 2 diffusers. Now, one of the bumpers that he ordered, well, the aftermarket bumper he ordered comes with his own diffuser, and then the exhaust that he ordered also comes with his own diffuser. The one that came with the exhaust is supposed to fit the OEM bumper, but what he wanted to do was put that diffuser onto the bumper that he purchased, the aftermarket one. So we tried doing that, and we're at it for a cool minute trying to fit it, but it just wasn't lining up. I mean, we could modify it, cut it, and try to put it on, but it might or might not sit well. So then we moved on to the other diffuser that was meant for that aftermarket bumper, and like every aftermarket part, it just doesn't line up. So it didn't line up, and so same thing. We can put it, but we have to cut into it to modify it. So instead, what I'm gonna try and do right now is try to put on the diffuser that came with the exhaust that's aimed for the OEM bumper and try to put it on.
It does require some cutting, so I'm gonna have to cut it, and hopefully that that goes on simple, you know. So we'll see. But obviously, before we start, gotta start with some coffee. Let's do it. All right, guys, check it out. I didn't show you guys how we put it because I wasn't sure. And then once one of the clips went in, I was like, fuck it, let's just put it all in right now. So this is actually the aftermarket bumper, and this is the diffuser that came with the exhaust. That bumper came with a separate diffuser, and I first put that one on by accident, assuming it was this one that had the tips. So we took it off and we started putting this one in, and basically all it is just clips that you literally have to just bang them in there, you know. But this bumper looks fresh as fuck. Check it out. Damn, look at that. Damn, she's sexy as fuck. All right, guys, update. The diffuser didn't line up with the bumper. What was this say? Didn't line up with the bumper right here. Now you can see the zip tie work, but the diffuser doesn't line up with the bumper, so obviously screws wouldn't go through it. So I just zip tied it, and it looks good. Looks pretty aggressive. So now what's left is putting it on the car. Just putting everything back on here, all this, the harnesses, the lights, and then putting it on the car. So we'll just do that. But I feel like it doesn't go in all the way. It's like right there. Is it not supposed to go in all the way? Is it a little light? It's not supposed to go all the way through. No? No. And you're putting it upside down? No. No.
Where you laying it up? My bad. Yeah, that's
All of it?
Yeah.
Oh, wee! Holy crap! What's up, fool? Alright guys, there it is. The finished product. Look at that. Damn. 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 She's bad. Fucking sexy as fuck. Damn. Look at that. Aggressive as fuck. Now we'll show you guys what it sounds like. I kind of fucked up and didn't do the before how the exhaust sounds, but let's start it up. And you guys can see how this Borla sounds. Alright guys, first startup. Check it out. Ooh, buddy. This sounds nice. How aggressive that rear end looks now. Rev it real quick. That's not how you rev it. Yeah, I'll rev it. Actually sounds nice, huh? Very nice. My first exhaust job. Very nice. Alright guys, there you have it. That is the install for the bumper, diffuser, Borla exhaust on the 2016 Mustang EcoBoost. So it's not hard. It's just time consuming. A lot of confusion as to what bumper to cut, what to modify. It's just a lot of back and forth, but we finally figured it out. And I mean, it was pretty straightforward after that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later, guys.